The Belize Central Prison is, by and large, considered to be an environment where the spread of infectious diseases poses great challenge for agencies working to prevent and control the novel coronavirus. Inmates, according to the World Health Organization, are more susceptible to COVID-19 than the general population because of the cramped conditions in which they live. A sudden outbreak of the pandemic in prison would place immense pressure on Belize's public health system. With that in mind, the CARICOM Implementation Agency for Crime and Security, CARICOM IMPACS, along with the British High Commission, donated basic sanitation supplies and other related items to the Kolbe Foundation.
The aircraft we have in front of us is a French military aircraft, and they were very kind in contributing the freight towards delivering these COVID-19 supplies. The supplies that we received today are things such as N95 masks, disposable masks, hand washing liquid, disinfectant, hand sanitizers. We also got 2 infrared thermometers to beef up our operations as it relates to screening of screening for COVID-19 disease.
Over the past 2 weeks, CARICOM IMPACS and the British High Commission in Port of Spain, Trinidad, have successfully donated supplies to prisons across the Caribbean, including Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, and Dominica.
These supplies is definitely going to boost up our operations that we already have in place going on at the prison to mitigate and prevent COVID from entering the prison.
The regional security system is a key partner in this partnership by providing airlift and logistical support for the distribution of supplies to CARICOM member states. The French forces in the Caribbean provided airlift of supplies to Belize, the Bahamas, and Haiti.
CARICOM IMPACS is the one that coordinated these supplies, and that was with the help of the British High Commission in Port of Spain through a fund called the Conflict, Stability and Security Fund. So they collaborated and they came through with this very handsome donation of over $7,000 in terms of supplies, COVID-19 supplies for the prison. So big thanks to CARICOM, big thanks to the British government for having the Belize Central Prison in mind.
The donation of these supplies will encourage and assist with the accelerated adoption of WHO guidelines for prisons and other places of detention, as well as help mitigate the spread of the pandemic and reinforce security within CARICOM. Reporting for News 5, I am Isani Cayetano.